Yo, what's going on, family? Just doing a quick little video about how I run numbers in the hood a little bit. So today we're looking at 32209, and basically I'm just gonna assume everything needs to be replaced. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the one right here, 3-bed, 1-bath. We don't comp it as usually. Usually we'll find the ARV and then go from there, but on this one it's a little bit different. It's in the rougher areas, and people do flip here, but more than likely it's I guess it's a rental dominating zip code. 32206, 32208, 32209, 32254, and likely 32219 are all the zip codes that are a bit rougher, and it's a rental dominating area. So first thing I'm going to do is kind of just see the rent rates. Similar one. Let's see, 3-bed. Let's see, 3-bed. 3-bed. Max 3. 1-bedroom. Let's see what we come up with here. Okay. There's that one there. But that's the only 700 there, so I wouldn't even look at that. I mean, there's this 700 here, but I mean, you can't even tell what it is, so I wouldn't even look at those. I'll look more at these 12, 13, 14 comps. So this one has an extra bathroom, excuse me. And I'm always a lot more conservative with my rent rates, just because you want to be the most appealing out of the ones available. That's crazy. $1,700 a month in this area. So initially I'm just thinking about $1,200 a month. This one's nice, all the way updated. With the way it is now, I imagine they're going to update it completely, so you might be able to get a little bit more. So we got a $1,350 right there. This one was a $1,425. Kind of want to look for a 3-1 if I can. This one $1,200. This is most likely what they're gonna do to it roughly. So I'm just gonna go with $1,200. I kind of just look in the area and be a bit on the conservative side. I mean, it could possibly be up to the $1,350, $1,400 range, but let's just be conservative and let's just call it $1,250. So $1,250 a month in rent, $1,250. And now what we're gonna do is multiply that $1,250, the rent rate, by 12 for 12 months. So it'll cash flow $15,000 in the year. Now I divide this by 0.15. That gives us a 1.25 monthly return. So in the hood, they want a little more than a 1% rule. Usually they want 1.5 to 1.25 percent. But in this case, let's just say, let's just use 0.25. Then I'm going to go back to our subject property, and it is right here. Okay, now what we're going to do is estimate the repairs here. So I'm going to say roughly maybe 45 a square foot. 40 to 45 a square foot. They want to be all in at 100K. 45, let's just say 45 on the higher end, times 931, 42,000. Let's just round up. So our 100,000 minus 442 comes out to 58,000, and then say 10K for a wholesale fee. My offer would be 48,000. So just to go over that again real quick, the summary would be: find your rent rates, find out what it would rent for, multiply, and our rent rate was $12.50. We then multiplied that by 12, and 12 for 12 months in 1 year, you get the annual revenue, which is $1,500, and then we multiply that by 0.15. Oh, sorry, my apologies. Let's see here. We're doing 1250 times 12. You want to divide it by 0.15. Sorry. Yeah. So yeah, step one: find your rent rates, which is $12.50. I apologize, I had a brain fart real quick. But $12.50 is our rent rate monthly. Our annual rents would be $1,500, $15,000 in cash flow. Then we would divide that by 0.15 for a 15% annual gross return, which comes out to $100,000. $100,000 is the all-in cost. So then we came out to $42K in repairs roughly, and then a $10K wholesale fee. So our offer would be $48,000 on this property, which isn't too bad. It's a brick home, and yeah, that's how I look at a comp in the hood. All right, family. See you guys soon, man. Let's go.